To change to a cash account on Webull, follow these steps. First, you need to understand what a cash account is. A cash account is a type of brokerage account that requires you to pay for securities in full at the time of purchase. This means you will not be able to trade on margin or short sell. To begin, open the Webull app and log into your account. Navigate to the menu by tapping the icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings section, scroll down to the Account Type section. Tap on Account Type and you will see the current account type. If you have a margin account, you will see the option to downgrade to a cash account. Tap on Downgrade to Cash Account. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to change your account type to a cash account. It is essential to note that downgrading to a cash account may affect your trading activities. For example, you will not be able to short sell or trade on margin. You will also need to settle any existing margin positions before you can change your account type. Once you confirm, Webull will review your account and make the necessary changes. This process may take a few hours to complete. You will receive a notification when your account type has been changed to a cash account. It is crucial to review your account settings and trading activities after changing to a cash account. Ensure that you understand the terms and conditions of your new account type and plan your trades accordingly. Changing to a cash account can help you avoid margin calls and reduce your trading risks. In conclusion, changing to a cash account on Webull is a straightforward process that requires you to navigate to the Account Settings section and select the option to downgrade to a cash account. Before making any changes, ensure that you understand the implications of having a cash account and plan your trades accordingly. By following these steps, you can easily change your account type and start trading with a cash account on Webull.